In this video tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of printing your Save the Dates designs in Canva. To begin, open your Save the Dates design in Canva. Next, navigate to the Share option and click on Download. Choose PDF print as the file type and make sure to select crop marks and bleed for precise trimming. Once selected, click on Download. After downloading the PDF file, open it in a browser or a PDF viewer. Locate the print icon within the viewer. Adjust settings such as paper size and orientation according to your preferences, and then proceed by clicking Print. That's it. Thanks for watching.